And yun, tinatapos ko pa yung third at fourth topic, but due to my concerns and some technical difficulties sa cellphone ko na naman, since yesterday, hindi natapos yung third at fourth topic. Yan naman nangyari nung last episode. Kaya hindi ako nagpagawa ng PPT kasi sa akin ng oras. So, welcome guys on the Talking Rex Show. It's me, DJ Rexworth. And here is our topic for today. Actually, apat pa rin yun. So, it's all about Japan, Pierre Gasly, You and I Are Polar Opposites, yung isang anime show, and last but not least, Mr. Beast. Yun. Yun yung mga apat na yung tatlong, yung sinabi ko dun sa chat box, yung third at fourth topic, which is yung anime show, and yung si Mr. Beast, hindi pa ito natapos. This is because of the lag issues. Lag issues kasi ng cellphone ko eh. So, expect na may multiples na might be 2 or 3 commercial breaks because of the situation. Yan. So we're going to share my screen kahit hindi pa tapos ang topic 3 at topic 4. Dahil kasi sa lag na yan. Oh my God. Okay. So, here is our topic 4. Ayan, yun yung third topic eh. Hindi pa natapos to. Hindi pa to natapos. Kasi yung part na yun, galing po yun sa episode 9 eh. So, yan. So, ito ang name natin ng episode 11 natin. Ayan, yung episode 11 natin, which is Mr. Beast is donating at Polar Kurtz. Hindi po nasama yung yung first at third topic dun eh. Kasi yung name dun, kasama yun sa second at fourth topic. Yung nakalagay na but may nakalagay na copy share at all tapos Okay, so yan. Nya. Ayan, nya. So, ang ibig sabihin niya, di ba? Yan yung slang galing sa Hapon. Or yung slang na nakikita mo sa mga pusa, ganun, at sa mga basta ayoko sabihin yung isang baka ma-violate pa ako sa smell eh. So yan. Nya, yun nakalagay. So ano ba yun? Ngayon nya nakalagay dito, senpai, ganun. It is Japan. So Japan is an island country in East Asia, located in the Pacific Ocean off the northeast coast of the Asian mainland. It is bordered to the west by the Sea of China, the Sea of Okhotsk in the north, and the East China Sea in the south. The Japanese archipelago consists of 4 major islands alongside over 14,000 smaller islands. Japan is divided into 47 administrative prefectures and 8 traditional regions, and around 75% of its terrain is mountainous and heavily forested, concentrating its agriculture and high urbanized population along its eastern coastal plains, with a population of almost 123 million as of 2026. It is the world's 11th most populous country. Tokyo is the country's capital and largest city. So, it is the first known habitation of the archipelago dates to the Upper Paleolithic, with the beginning of the Japanese Paleolithic dating to 36,000 BC. Between the 4th and 6th century, its kingdoms were united under an emperor in Nara and later in Heian Kyo. From the 12th century, an actual power was held by military aristocrats known as shogun and feudal lords called daimyo, enforced by warrior nobility named samurai. After ruled by the Kamakura and Ashikaga shogunates and a century of warring states, Japan was unified in 1600 by the Tokugawa shogunate, which implemented as isolated foreign policy. In 1853, an American fleet forced Japan to open trade to the West, which led to the end of the shogunate and the restoration of imperial power in 1868. The Meiji period saw Japan pursue rapid industrialization, modernization, militarism, and overseas colonization, declaring itself an imperial power in 1889, with the promulgation of the Meiji Constitution. It annexed Taiwan in 1895, followed by Korea in 1910. In 1937, Japan invaded China and attacked the US and European colonial powers in 1941, thus entering World War II as an Axis power. After being defeated in the Pacific War and suffering the U.S. atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, suffering the U.S., Japan surrendered in 1945 and came under Allied occupation until 1952. It underwent rapid economic growth in the following decades and became one of the first major non-NATO allies of the US since the collapse of the Japanese asset price bubble in the early 1990s. It has experienced a prolonged period of economic stagnation referred to as the lost decades. So Japan is a constitutional monarchy with a bicameral legislation known as the National Diet. Widely considered a great power and the only Asian member of the G7, it maintains one of the world's strongest militaries but has constitutionally renounced its right to declare war. A developed country with one of the world's largest economies by nominal GDP. It is a global leader in the automotive, electronics, and robotic industries. In addition to making significant contributions to science and technology, it has one of the world's highest life expectancies, but is undergoing a population decline. The culture of Japan is well known around the world, particularly its popular culture as expressed in animation, art, comics, cuisines, fashion, films, music, television, theater, and video games. So ayan na po yung about dun sa Japan. So next topic natin is yung nakalagay na pure third state of matter. So, di ba nung bata kayo, yung teacher, tinuturo sa'yo kung ano ba yung third state of matter. So ano ba yung third state of matter? Di ba gas? Gas is yung molecule niya, parang malawak siya. So, both indefinite shape and indefinite volume. So, yan, science tayo, di ba? So, pure, third state of matter. So, ano ba yung third state of matter na yun? And ano ba yung nakalagay na pure? Siyempre, Pierre Gasly, ang isang Formula 1 driver. So, si Pierre Gasly. So, bakit Pierre Gasly? Kasi yung third state of matter daw, Gasly. Gas, di ba? Gasul. Yan, gas. So, si Pierre Jean Jacques Gasly, or known as Pierre Gasly, ipinanganak siya noong February 7, 1996. So, is an Italian racing driver who competes in Formula 1 for Alpine.
Akala ko gas sa Minecraft.
Ha?
Akala ko gas sa Minecraft. Ay, iba pala yun.
Gas. Gasly. So, yun. So siya yung French driver na who competes in Formula 1 for Alpine. Gasly won the 2020 Italian Grand Prix with AlphaTauri. So he was born and raised in Normandy. Gasly began competitive kart racing age 10, graduating to Junior Formula in 2011. Gasly finished third in the French F4 Championship that year with the FFSA Academy. He won his first championship at the Formula Renault Europe Cup in 2013 with Tech 1. Gasly then progressed to the GP2 series, winning the championship in 2016 with Prima amid a close title battle with Antonio Giovinazzi. He moved to Super Formula the following year, finishing runner-up to Hiroaki Ishihara Ridmogen and debuted in Formula E at the New York City E-Prix for Renault E-Dams. A member of the Red Bull Junior team since 2014, Gasly made his Formula 1 debut with Toro Rosso at the 2017 Malaysian Grand Prix, replacing Daniel Kvyat for the remainder of the 2017 season. He remained a full-time move to Toro Rosso for 2018, before being promoted to parent team Red Bull in 2019. Gasly was demoted after the Hungarian Grand Prix, replaced by Alexander Albon. He achieved his maiden podium at the Brazilian Grand Prix that year with Toro Rosso. In 2020, Gasly took his maiden victory at the Italian Grand Prix while he was driving for a rebranded AlphaTauri. He achieved a third podium for the team at the Azerbaijan Grand Prix in 2021. Gasly moved to Alpine for his 2022 Grand Prix, scoring his first podium for the team at the Dutch Grand Prix, repeating this feat at the rain-affected Sao Paulo Grand Prix in 2024 and the Monaco Grand Prix in 2026. So ito yung yung na-issue yan yung pinaprotest ng Red Bull at McLaren ngayon. Yung about dun sa Monaco Grand Prix, yung podium ni Pierre Gasly. Na dapat sana yan yung ni Hadjar. So binanggit ko yung yung last episode yung about si Isaac Hadjar. Na yung yung pagiging podium niya, wala yung podium niya kasi pinoprotest kasi yung Alpine na bakit ba kasi ginagawa ni Pierre Gasly? Siyempre wala. Yun. That's the reason kung bakit nagkaroon ni Pierre Gasly yung podium. Yung time penalty niya nawala na. na-remove na ng FIA. Tas after yan, nag-protest na yung Red Bull at McLaren dun. So, wait for the further announcement na kung makukuha ni Pierre Gasly yung 2026 Monaco Grand Prix na podium or si Isaac Hadjar magkakaroon ng podium yun for the first time sa Red Bull. So, tingnan natin sa announcement ng FIA. So, tingnan natin. So, as of the 2026 Dutch Grand Prix, Gasly has achieved 1 race win, 3 fastest laps, and 6 podiums in Formula 1. Gasly is contracted to remain at Alpine until at least the end of the 2028 season. So ito pa yung yung topic 3 na hindi pa natapos, yung pole relations position. So dahil dyan, up next on the Talking Red Show, we're going to talk about the pole relationship position na anime show. At ano ba yung nakalagay dun? Tignan natin sa pagbabalik lang po ng The Talking Red Show.